With Budgeto, you can build beautiful graphs to help you understand your budget, but also you can use it to help identify potential errors in your budget. Access your financial reports menu, and then you can choose between 3 different types of reports. Next, choose the years to display, and then click Generate. There are 3 different types of detail levels to choose from. You can also choose a monthly or yearly view, and then you can navigate between the years or months chosen. Now you can go through and identify any potential errors you may have. And then you can access your forms to correct them. The forms can be found on the left side menu, such as sales, expenses, and etc. Adjust your numbers needed. Then when you are done, just return to your reports. As you can see now, the error previously identified has been corrected. On the dashboard, you can play with a variety of interactive graphs. Change the years, change what you want to show, expand it, make it smaller, play with it to the needs of your business. Once you are ready, you can export your financial reports in the Export menu on the left side. Choose between a yearly or monthly view, and then you can also choose the years to export. Export your reports to a PDF, or export them to Excel. It's whatever you prefer. Keep playing with the tool and continue to build your budget. Good luck!